What's going on there, YouTube? Sick Eric back again with another video, and I may be a little late to the party, but this is the OnePlus 7T from T-Mobile. This is the T-Mobile version. I just picked this up today. Wasn't sure about getting this device since I already have the OnePlus 7 Pro, so it took me a while to decide on whether or not I should get this one or not. If it's pretty much the same thing as a 7 Pro, I was debating that over this time, so I am a little late to the party as far as unboxing this video, but we'll go ahead and keep it short since everybody has probably already seen all the unboxing videos of this device. But here's some specs in the back. 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display. It's a full HD plus 1080p. Snapdragon 855 plus. The OnePlus 7 Pro has the regular 855. 48, 16, and 12 megapixel triple cameras, 48 being the main sensor, 16 I'm assuming is the wide angle, and then 12 telephoto, 3800 milliamp hour battery, Warp Charge 30. The regular OnePlus 7 Pro has Warp Charge 30. This one has Warp Charge 30T, which is a little bit faster. I think it was like 10% faster or something. 8 gigabytes of RAM. USB storage, I think it was like 3.0. It's a little bit faster storage on here. UFS 3.0 on this device. Android, Oxygen OS, Android 10 on here. One of the first OnePlus devices to have Android 10 pre-installed on here at launch. Android 10 is available for the OnePlus 7 Pro now, so we'll see if there's a huge difference between software between these two devices, which one is more stable. Right now I'm running the beta 7 version on my OnePlus 7 Pro, so let's see which one runs better. You get Dolby Atmos on here, Bluetooth 5.0, etc. So let's go ahead and crack it open. I like this new box, by the way. Definitely better than the one that the OnePlus 7 Pro came in. Really nice. Like I said, hopefully I'm not too late with this, guys. If I am, oh well, that's quite alright. I'll still go ahead and do my videos the way I want to on this device. So let's go ahead and crack it open. First thing you get is your pamphlets on here, which I'm pretty sure everybody has seen. Your OnePlus stickers. Some new kind of stickers on here, that's nice. Your terms and conditions, and your little welcome start guide. Get this crap out. Your SIM stuff all on here. Let's go ahead and set that aside. And on the very top you do get the device. Now I wanted to get the silver version, or the gray version, silver gray, whatever it was called, but all they had was the frosted blue or whatever. It's okay, it's a lighter color than the OnePlus 7 Pro's blue, so that's quite alright. Really nice feeling device. It is a little bit slimmer. Let's see what else we get in the box. Get this nice piece of cardboard with never settle on the bottom. You get a nice premium case to go along with it, that way you're safe out of the box. We'll slap that on later. And this is your new Warp Charge 30T charging brick supply unit. Go ahead and read the specs right there. You do get your little OnePlus SIM ejection tool, and then your USB Type-C to USB charging cable, all nicely bundled right there. So let's go ahead and throw everything back into the box and check out the phone. Nice boxing, by the way. This is OnePlus 7T. It's a culmination of all our design and engineering efforts, and crafted for those who, like us, always strive for the very best. Alright, so here is the device itself. Oof. This does feel really nice. It feels like it did when I first held my OnePlus 7 Pro. This is a very slim, sleek device. See if it has any juice. Now the differences between this and the 7 Pro is this has the little notch up top for your camera. It does not have the pop-up camera. You get your speaker grill up here. It is dual firing with your other speaker at the bottom. You get your SIM tray, USB Type-C, and then on this side you have your volume rocker. Over here you have your power button and the toggle to silence, vibrate, and ring. This is a little bit smaller than the 7 Pros, a little bit more sleeker. So about the size of the iPhone 11. On the back you got your triple cameras right here, which is really nice. I don't mind the camera bump or the camera circle. I think it looks clean, it looks different. And at the bottom you get your OnePlus and then your sticker. Let's go ahead and take that off. I really do like the color though. It's a little bit lighter and more silvery than the OnePlus 7 Pro's blue. So yeah, stick around guys. We'll go ahead and see how much storage is on here. Storage is on here, so I'm going to go ahead and set this up really quick. Don't go anywhere. Alright, so we're back setting it up really quick. I added my fingerprint sensor, or my fingerprints. Let's go ahead and check this out. See how quick it is. Now I think the sensor is a little bit bigger on here than it is on the OnePlus 7 Pro. And it definitely is a lot quicker than the OnePlus 7 Pro sensor. Still the same type of optical sensor in the bottom, but it's under the display. So really nice there. And you also have facial recognition to where it immediately unlocks your device. So facial recognition is really fast on here. So let's go ahead and dive into the settings. Storage, we have 27 gigs being used, and I still haven't even used or installed any of my apps on here. Used out of 128. We are 20% used. We have 101 gigabytes free on here. You still have the Fluid AMOLED, the 90 Hz display on here, which is really nice. Let's go ahead and set this to 5, my normal step. 90 Hz is already set on here. And of course it is a 1080p Full HD Plus display on here, so that's really nice. And the version that it's running on, as you can see right here, Snapdragon 855, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 128 storage. And we are on 10.0.3 build number, Android 10 and Oxygen OS, OnePlus 7T. Keep in mind, like I said, this is the T-Mobile variant, so it is going to vary between this and the regular universal or the international variant of the OnePlus. My OnePlus 7 Pro, I am not running the T-Mobile software, I'm running the international software. So with that being said guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Really nice phone. I'm excited to use this, see how it works, and stick around for my comparison between this and the OnePlus 7 Pro, his little big brother, or his big brother, and we'll go ahead and see what the differences are, which one is better or which one I think is better. So with that being said guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, thumbs down if you didn't. I really appreciate your input, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.